Hi everybody, today is our jigsaw assembly and today we're looking at ways that our little characters that we all know in school, how they can inspire us and help us think about things that we might like to improve, things that we might have a desire to get better at, a goal. A goal is something where we want to achieve something to get a little bit better. Doesn't matter what that goal is, if it's something that you'd like to do, that's what we're going to think about today. But to start our assembly, we normally have a gong in class which makes us think about the sound together, makes us feel nice and calm. And today I thought it would be nice to use one of the guitar sounds instead of the gong. So I'm just going to strum the guitar and that will be the sound that we all listen to together. I hope you can hear it okay, but we're going to strum the sound and then from there we're going to think about our breathing, relaxing into the assembly, and just maybe really take some time just to think quietly and calmly. Okay, so I'm going to strum the guitar and you listen for that sound. Be nice to close your eyes just like we do in school. And we'll all do this calmly together. And now we need to think about our breathing. Okay children, in front of you you have a picture of a beautiful beach. I'd like you to look at the picture and think about your breathing all the time, our very nice, calm breathing. Breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathe out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep breathing in and out. Breathe in and out. Now that you're feeling much calmer with your breathing, let's listen to the sound and bring us back into the room to be ready for our next job. Okay children, so now I think we're feeling a lot calmer, we're feeling ready to think about things that we're proud of, things that we might like to get better at, and things really that have helped us to enjoy what we do. We all like different things, we all are proud of doing different things, and it's really nice to remind ourselves how we do work hard together. We do have goals. A goal is just something that we want to get better at, something that we enjoy doing, and we're also very proud of that goal. And I thought today you could have a word with someone at home or someone next to you if you're in school, or you could also tell your toy, tell your toy something that you're really, really proud of. And that's why I've got my little friend here, Teddy. He's my Teddy from when I was a little girl. I've had him since I was 2 or 3 years old, so he's a little bit bashed, a little bit battered, but it doesn't matter, he's my Teddy and he's very special to me. So if you have a Teddy and you'd like to tell Teddy something that you're proud of, then that would be a lovely thing to do. You can either do it during the video if there's one here, or do it later, whatever you like to do. But I feel it's nice to remind ourselves of things that we're proud of and things that we want to get better at. I'd love to get fitter this year. I do love walking, and I like to walk nearby in the fields and the woods and things, but I'd like to do that a lot more, and that's one of my goals, to really do lots more walking and enjoy the fresh air outside. So that was one of the little goals that I've told Teddy, and one of the things that I'm proud of, that I'm making a goal. I'm actually doing that and thinking about what I could do this year to make things feel better for me, something I could be proud of. So if you could do that with your toy, or someone at home, or someone that you're sitting with in school, then that would be lovely to do. I'm just going to now share with you a PowerPoint of different pictures, photographs of people who have achieved things and they have a goal, or they're just proud of things that they've done in the picture. So we're going to share those together, and you can have a little look and see if any of them are things that you might like to do, or if you know anybody who's done those kind of things before, and we'll share those.
This girl is proud of how she has learned to ride a horse. This girl is proud of how she has learned to ride a horse. This boy is really proud of how hard he is working at school. This girl is really proud of all the beautiful raspberries that she has picked, and maybe she's grown them herself. This girl is proud of her beautiful cat, and I'm sure she's also proud of how well she looks after the cat. This man is proud of how he can run with his artificial leg. He's working so hard and running really fast. This baby is proud of how he is learning to walk. This may even be the first time that he's done it. Well done. This woman is proud of her beautiful painting. This woman is proud of graduating from university with a degree.
Well, children, I certainly enjoyed looking through those pictures with you and enjoying seeing what some people had achieved and what their goals were and how they'd like to improve for the future. I certainly will be thinking about my dreams and my goals this year, and 2021, I hope that we can do that and all achieve something and be proud of something. I'm sure we all are. I'm certainly proud of every one of you, learning at home and learning in school. You're all doing a wonderful job, and so are the teachers who are planning your lessons at home and in school. Everybody's working really hard, but we should all be proud, mummies and daddies too, for helping for you to do your jobs in school and jobs at home. They're all really proud of you, and we're all really proud of them. So let's all think about the proudness, and I'm going to just finish now the assembly with a song that we sometimes have in school, and it's Proud by Heather Small. And this one, I particularly like this version because it shows you a lot of Olympic athletes who are Paralympics. Some of them may be in wheelchairs, some of them, like in our slide, they may have an artificial limb, a leg or an arm missing, but they've really achieved their goal. They've worked so hard and they are so proud. So I particularly like this version because it celebrates how we're all different, but we all should be proud and we could all have a goal. So I hope you enjoy the song, and I will see you next week for another assembly. Take care. Bye for now.